What we have left from our blog is to render categories. Simply, categories is displayed in every page. Like in the home page, we can see the categories bar. If we go to post details page, we can see the categories. And maybe we have more pages, like maybe about page and the category page, other pages like the pages in the footer. So what we can do is to go to in every controller action and we could pass categories. We have to do this in all website pages, but there is a good shortcut, which is view composers. So we are going to use view composers. So let's go to the documentation of Laravel and check views, I guess. And we have here view composer. So I am going to use closure based composers. So we should go to app service provider. Let's open our project and open providers, app service provider, and then our boot method. So this composer is injecting or attaching data directly to the view. So the view we want to attach data to is layout. So let's do those imports. So we should import this one and import this as well. That is correct now. So let's check the another example. Yeah, this is an example. So instead of count, we should add categories. So we should say category. I don't think we have active flag in categories, so we should display all categories, but maybe we may add has posts, so empty categories are not displayed, and all right. Let's remove this. All right, and import category. So let's check in our layout if it is being attached. In the layout, we should dial here categories in blade tags. Builder all, maybe category has posts. All right, call to undefined method all. Okay, let's try get. Yeah, that's fine. And now let's remove that diagram and do for each and remove all this. We need just one. So let's say it for each, yes, categories as category. Yes, we will add this line inside for each, and we have category, category title, and the URL should be maybe categories slash ID slash category ID. Maybe we should add a slug as well. So yeah, let's add blade tags, category, slug, or search engines as well. This is not created yet, but let's try first to see if it is rendered correct. Yeah, now we have PHP. Let's try to create another category from our admin dashboard. We are going to categories, add new category. Maybe we should add MySQL. MySQL, right? Uh, this is also category. Okay, let's try to refresh our front end. Well, yeah, it is opened here. So we can't see MySQL because we don't have any post, so that is correct. So let's add a new post. All right. MySQL is awesome. MySQL article, whatever. We should have the description, and we should have some. We should have some text, anything. Right, let's choose category MySQL and create. Let's refresh here, and we can now see my PHP and MySQL. But if I click, nothing will happen. Not found. So let's try to create another controller. Artisan B controller category controller. Is to go to web.php and let's do category category and slug category controller. All right, and yeah, let's import it. Okay, yeah, maybe, yeah, but I maybe in index. Let's find out. Let's go to category controller, public function. I maybe copy this function from posts controller to categories controller because look they do the same thing at the end, but we need to have to receive post and post and slug, which is optional. This is a string. All right, so let's import post. Okay. Let's import the post model. We're active order by, and we're category ID equals to category. This is category, not post. Sorry. And let's import view namespace. This one we have we have posts, and actually we should use the theme view. Yeah, that's it. So let's try now. If we go to PHP, we have three articles that related to PHP. If we go to MySQL, we can see the post related only to MySQL. So I think let's click here. So I think we should update this URL. So let's go to our layout in layout and this URL. It should be the home page. I think we can get rid of this right now because I don't have something to write in my mind. So I'll just comment it. It is not that important for now. And about page as well, we don't have pages yet. Yeah, so and also I think we don't need those as well for now. So I'm just gonna go to comment those. Maybe later we find use. But looks like we need to add padding to this. Maybe instead of padding button, maybe padding Y, which will add padding top and the padding button. Right, that's fine. Yeah, that's okay. And also I can get rid of the subscription because uh, it's a feature maybe going to take some time, and at the beginning I think the most important thing is to just launch and display articles because at the beginning we don't have anything yet. So why people should subscribe to our website? So we should ship now and do the subscription later. So yeah, to do this I should comment this. The layout will be it is not good right now. So we need to center this section. So we have the flexbox. We for the for the for the blog post section, we take 3 of 4 from the screen, and this sidebar take 1 of 4. So I wanted to center it. So yeah, maybe I add something very quick. Div class equals. So maybe MD 1 of 12, and this should be uh, 10 of 12, right? And after it should be 1 of 12. I think this might work. Yeah, that is very nice. And I think we should do the same in other pages. This is the same page. Yeah, yeah. So this is fine as well because they share the same layout. Another small thing I want to add. So there is a little bit of good refactor here. Maybe uh, maybe we want to use scopes. So because this active condition is repeated everywhere, so we maybe check the Laravel documentation and check eloquent. Yes, here is eloquent and maybe scopes, query scope. We should add local scope. We should add something like this in the post model. All right. We should import the builder. I think it should be inside Eloquent. All right. Query where active equal 1 or true. That's fine. So we should use it like this. I should select all of them. All right. 2, 3, 4, 5. We should use just active. No, this is extra. All right, this is extra as well. All right, that's fine. And maybe in categories controller as well. We should get rid of this. We maybe add another scopes, but I think this is fine for now. Maybe some people like get rid of the database logic totally from controllers, but I don't think we have this case for now because our website is very simple. So I think it is okay to have the logic here, and I don't need repository or services or action or any stuff like this, because I think it will be make it more complicated, and it doesn't have to be. So it is readable, and everything uh, is pretty simple. So no need to complicate things. This is my way and how I think about it. And maybe later in other project we have more complex logic. So we may use stuff like this, organize it better. But for now, this is very good and very smart as well. So yeah, stay tuned and see you in the next video. Bye.